Have you ever so scared to talk to your mom? Or have your mom ever so scared to talk to you? Hello everyone. On this Mother's Day, I wanted to share with you why the special holidays like this makes me so sad. My mom and we haven't had any phone calls over 3 years. Not because neither of us don't know how to use a phone, but because of every absurd and human Chinese policies against Uyghurs. Do you know for Uyghur mother, it's a crime to talk to their children in abroad. Any simple greetings between a mother in Uyghur region and their children in America does not end up very well. This is why my mom is afraid to talk to me, and this is why I'm afraid to talk to my mom. Having their children in abroad is already putting many Uyghur parents' life in danger and getting them locked up in a concentration camp. Like my father, my uncle, my relatives, and many other Uyghur students' parents. In my case, sending me to the United States has already been considered as a crime for my father, Alijan Mahmud. He was arrested and sent to one of the concentration camps. Chinese government was a source of our pain. They illegally arrested and trying to disconnect the love and connection between the parents and their children. I'm just a regular girl and one of the educated Uyghur who is living in Boston and working as a software engineer. My biggest dream in life to see my parents living free again. I would like to ask these questions. If you have a lovely mother just like mine, do you think telling her Happy Mother's Day would be too much to ask? If you are a parent, do you think sending your children abroad it is a crime? Please share with me what do you think the real crime is.